So, you've got a new drone in the UK. Let's break down the essential rules to get you flying.
I know you're excited to get that thing in the air, but hold on just a second.
They're incredible machines for sure, but first you absolutely have to know the code.
And seriously, this isn't just a suggestion. Breaking these rules is actually a criminal offense.
Okay, first up on the list, getting your IDs sorted. It's a must.
You'll hear about two types, a flyer ID and an operator ID. So what's the difference?
Well, it's pretty simple. The flyer is who's actually flying. The operator is the one responsible for it. So, which one do you need? And it all comes down to how much your drone weighs. If it does, then yep, you absolutely have to get a flyer ID. No exceptions.
Okay, second question. Does it have a camera, or is it over that 250-gram mark?
If the answer is yes to either of those, you're going to need an operator ID too.
All right, ID's done. Now for the 3 golden rules. Rule number 1, always keep it in sight. So if anything gets in the way, a tree, a building, you've lost that direct line of sight.
Rule number 2 is all about altitude. You've got to respect that height limit.
And that magic number is 120 meters or 400 feet. That's your absolute maximum height.
And listen, that's measured from the surface directly below it. Super important on hills.
And for our 3rd and final golden rule, you gotta know your no-fly zones.
You need to stay at least 50 meters away from people. Think of it like a safety cylinder. And yeah, that 50-meter rule, it also counts for people in cars, trains, even inside buildings.
Okay, now for a bigger distance. This 150-meter rule applies to build-up areas.
So you need to stay that far away from residential, recreational, commercial, and industrial zones.
So let's put it all together. Here's your quick pre-flight checklist. Ask yourself these 4 things.
Run through that checklist and you're all set for a safe and totally legal flight. Enjoy!